Good morning and Jai Hind, my dear children. How are you all? Okay, all good. What's up? Everything is fine, right? Okay. Now, and many times I have seen your chats. Whenever chats are open, I have seen your chats. That's not good. If you are wishing a teacher, that's okay, but don't talk there. You have to concentrate on your work. Alright? So concentrate on your work. जो मैम पढ़ा रही है उस पे ध्यान दो, सर पढ़ा रहे हो उस पे ध्यान दो, right? So that is very much important. Don't talk unnecessary and unwanted things there, right? And I have seen that you are talking about the games, PUBG and all, right? So don't do that. Okay. So now today we are going to do this bookwork, page number 57, and then we will be doing page number 109, enrichment activity. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, भूल गई, ma'am तो test लेने वाली थी, right? No, you have to prepare for test. I have told you that prepare this chapter 3, right? So yes, I will be taking the test today only. How come? Let me tell you. सबसे पहले हम बुक वो कंप्लीट करेंगे, then take your notebook with you, your classwork notebook, and write heading revision test. Okay, that will be of 10 marks or 10 questions. Okay, so only answers. If you want, you can write directly answers. If you want, you can solve there. It's your wish. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, so let's start. First we will be doing this one, bookwork, right? Page number 57. Now, first learn this formula. LCM multiplied by HCF of two numbers, right, is equals to product of the number. Learn this formula. So, now what is the formula? Let us write here. LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to product of the numbers, right? This is the formula, you need to learn it. Okay, now इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है? किसी भी नंबर का जो हम एलसीएम निकालते हैं एंड एचसीएफ निकालते हैं, अगर उन दोनों को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो दोनों नंबर के प्रोडक्ट का सिमिलर होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर वाज एन एग्जाम्पल दैट इज if HCF is 3 and LCM is 60 and the two numbers are 12 and 15. Okay, so this is there. Now let's do it. 60 multiplied by 3, how much we will be getting? 6 3s are 18 and here 0. We got this. Now here we have to find out what product of these two numbers. 12 multiplied by 15. If we multiply these two numbers, we are getting 180. So that is the formula. LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to product of the numbers. दो नंबर के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल होता है LCM और HCF का प्रोडक्ट. Clear? Now let's do the question. If we talk about the question 1, that is example, that is done here. Now we need to do these 4 questions. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? Here is 6 and 9. 6 and 9 का हमें LCM निकालना है, right? और HCF दोनों. How to find out? Let's take 6. Let's take 9. 2 की टेबल से जाएगा. How many times? 2 3s are 6 and then 3 1s are. Here is divisible by 3. 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Now what is the HCF of these numbers? Now here is 3 and here is 3. So 3 is common. So the common number is this. This is the HCF, right? Now what is the LCM? LCM is common is 3 and now we will write the uncommons. क्या करते हैं LCM में? पहले हम कॉमन वाला नंबर लिखते हैं और फिर अनकॉमन को भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो what we are getting? 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. We got the HCF and LCM. Now let's multiply. 3 multiplied by 18, that is 54. And if we talk about 6 and 9, 6 multiplied by 9 is also 54. You can see वी गॉट द सेम आंसर, राइट? हम लोग को सेम आंसर मिला. सो लेट्स राइट डाउन हियर 6 9s are 54. Now what we have got HCF? That is 3. And what is the LCM? 18. And if we multiply these two numbers, we get 54. Okay. Let me change the ink color. Now let's do the next one. 4 and 6. So 4 and 6. सबसे पहले हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 6 are 24. Now find out the HCF and LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Clear? Then 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. अब सबसे पहले हम इसका HCF निकालेंगे. If we talk about 4, you can write like this: 2 multiplied by 2, and here 2 multiplied by 3. That is 4. That is 6. What is common here? 2. So HCF क्या हो गया? 2. And if we talk about LCM, सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं? कॉमन नंबर एंड देन वी राइट दिस अनकॉमन्स. सो व्हाट इज द एलसीएम? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. नाउ लेट्स चेक द आंसर. 2 multiplied by 12 is equals to 24. You can see both are 24. So that means we have done correct. So now write down 4 6 are 24 and HCF कितना मिला था हम लोग को? 2. What is the LCM here? That is 12. HCF written, LCM written. Now 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Can you try other questions? Yes? So do it. 10 multiplied by 15 is 150. 9 multiplied by 15 is 135. Now let's find out the HCF and LCM of 10 and 15. ठीक है, कैसे करेंगे? Same method. 10 and 15. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are. So 2 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 5. We got this. ये मिल गया. What is common? 5. तो HCF क्या हो गया? 5. LCM क्या होगा? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are, that is 30. Okay, so let's write down. Got it? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. We have to write directly answer. LCM we have got, HCF we have got. Okay, now write down the answer here. So HCF was 5 and LCM was 30. So 5 3 50. Here 5 and 30. We need to multiply. That is 150. Now last 9 and 15. 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. And 15. 3 5s are and 5 1s are. What is common? 3. So HCF is 3. And let's find out the LCM. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. What is the answer? 45. Now write down. HCF is 3 and LCM is 45. And we multiply, we get the answer. Done beyond the chapter. Now we need to open page number 109. All of you open fast page 109. Let me open also. So I have taken an out. Fast, you also. The first question. 345 is divisible by. Now let's check. 345. 345 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? चेक करेंगे हम लोग. Here we have studied divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 10 and 9. हमने इतनी divisibility चेक की है, right? So let's start. 2 का रूल क्या है? लास्ट प्लेस देखना है. So 5 है, so no, it is not divisible. 3 का रूल क्या है? We have to add 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. So yes, 12 आता है 3 की टेबल में, it is divisible. 5 का रूल क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट अगर 0 और 5 है तो yes, it is divisible. So yes, it is divisible. 10 का रूल क्या है? 0. अगर लास्ट में 0 है तो ही डिविजिबल होगा. तो यहाँ पे 0 है, नहीं है, सो इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल। 12, 9 का रूल क्या है, सम करते हैं और 9 की टेबल में आता है कि नहीं, 12 है, 12 9 की टेबल में नहीं आता, सो यस इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 and 5। So can you see the answer? Both 3 and 5 is the correct answer. Next, for a number to be divisible by 2, क्या रूल है 2 का? The number should be divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the option A, D is here. You can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Option D is correct answer. Clear? Next, the prime factorization of 8. If we talk about 8, let's find out 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what is the prime factorization of this? 8 is equals to कैसे लिखते हैं? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. यही लिखते हैं. So if it is there, it is correct answer. Can you see that? Option D. Yes, there is. If you multiply 2 and 4, we are getting 8. But 4 क्या है? Composite number. So no. If we talk about here 1 is a unique number, 4 is composite number, 1 is unique number. So we don't have to write this. Prime factorization हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Next, the HCF of two consecutive number. If we talk about two consecutive मतलब लगातार. If we talk about 2 and 3, right? 2 and 3. तो इनके में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो HCF हमेशा क्या आता है जब भी कॉमन नहीं है? 1, right? So if we talk about 7 and 8, we will get HCF 1. If we talk about 9 and 10, we get 1. Got it? So C, the answer option 1 is there. B. Last, dash are the prime number that are less than 10. जो 10 से छोटे हैं. Prime numbers कौन से होंगे? 2, 3, 5, 7. See the option C. 2, 3, 5, 7. They are prime numbers between 10. 10 से छोटे हैं. 1 is a unique number, so it is not there. 1 is unique number and 9 is composite number. Got it? So the first answer is C, second is D, third is B, fourth is B and 5 is C. Check your answer. Now we will be doing the test. Ready for test? Open your notebooks fast. We will start the test today. Okay, all right. For test, you need your pen. Only blue pen or black. You can use any pen. Okay. Take your pen, take your notebooks, and just give the test. You can directly write the answers, and it's a quick test. You have to write answers fast. Okay. So let's start the test. I hope everybody has taken out the notebooks till now, right? So this is your homework. First, let me tell you, this is your homework. This you need to do by your own. It is on the page number 109. It is your homework. Write down date and do by your own. Page number 109. So let's start the test. There are total 10 questions. It is of 10 marks. So write down the date over here and start writing the answer. You can do like this: date, then write revision test, and start writing the answer like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. Okay, directly answers you can write. First question is full form of LCM. Write down the full form of LCM fast in your notebook. Full form of LCM written. Okay, write down. No need to hurry up, just write down. Now tell me the answer. What is the full form of LCM? Now tell me the answer. Okay. Now we will move to the next question, that is 2. Full form of HCF. What is the full form of HCF? Write down the answer in your notebook fast, quickly. Now tell me the answer. full form of HCl? Now time up. Done question 2. Time up. Question number 3 now. The smallest multiple of 8. Remember that it is asking multiple, not factor. The smallest multiple of 8 is. Your time starts now. Write down. Hurry up. Now, tell me the answer 3. The smallest multiple of 8 is. Now, time's up. Now, moving to the question number 4. Is 125 divisible by 5? Only you have to write yes or no. Okay? Write down answer yes or no. Is 125 divisible by 5? 5 से divisible है, yes or no? Done? Now tell me answer. Yes or no? Okay, alright. Good, very good students. You are doing well. Very nice. Now time's up for question 4. Move to question number 5. The greatest factor of 21 is. What is the greatest factor? We are asking the greatest factor. Okay? Not multiple, not smallest, only greatest. Fast. Alright, written in the copy. Done? Okay, no cheating students. You have to do by your own. Okay, so now tell me the answer 5. The greatest factor of 21 is. Yes, your time starts now. Fast. Alright, everyone is doing well. Very good. Nice. So now time's up for question number 5. Now it's time for question number 6. Find all the factors of 12. You can use any method to find out. You can use prime factorization method. You can use finding all the factor method. Just find out the factors of 12. All the factors of 12 I want. You can solve in your notebook and then tell me. Write down in your notebooks fast. Done? Now, tell me the answer. Find all the factors of 20 here, 12. Write down fast. I want the answers quickly, fast. Alright, good. Nice students. You all are trying, you are attempting, that's very nice. Okay. Now time's up for question 6. Now it's time for question number 7. Third multiple of 14 is. You have to just quickly write the third multiple. You don't have to write first 3, you have to write only third multiple. Okay, done in your notebook? Now tell me the answer. Third multiple of 14 is. Okay, well done, very nice. Good students. Now time's up for question 7. Next, we have find the LCM of 15 and 30. You can use any method. You can use prime factorization method. You can use short division method. Solve in your notebook and tell me the LCM. Your time starts now. Fast student, do it. It's a kind of quiz, right? Done? Alright, take your time, do it. and then tell me. Okay, now tell me the answer of 8. Find the LCM of 15 and 30. I want answers. Yes, fast, quickly. Your time starts now, students. Fast. Alright, very good. Everyone is doing good. Alright, time's up for question number 8. Now it's time for question number 9. Dash is the only even prime number. Think of it. ऐसा एक नंबर जो कि इवन है और प्राइम है, सिर्फ एक नंबर है. Just think over it. Prime number is also even number. Which one? Dash is the only even prime number. Your times is going fast, 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 fast. Written? Now tell me the answer. Dash is the only even prime number. Alright, so very nice, very good. And now moving to the last question, that is 10. Quickly. There are dash prime numbers between 1 and 100. Answer, students. Write down in your notebook and then tell me the answer. There are how many prime numbers in between 1 to 100? We have done the sheet. Remember that grid? So how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? Okay, I can hear you. I know that you are knowing. Fast, fast, fast. Now tell me the answer. 10. Done? Okay. Your time's up. Now nothing you have to tell me. That's it. So now let's discuss the answer once again. What is the full form of LCM? That is lowest common multiple, right? Alright, done. Full form of HCF, highest common factor, right? Check your spellings too. The smallest multiple of 8. When we are talking about multiple, so that is 8 ones are 8. That's the smallest multiple, right? Next. Is 125 divisible by 5? Yes, the ones place is 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Next, the greatest factor of 21. If we talk about the factor, the greatest factor will be 21 only. So the answer is 21. Okay. If we talk about the factors of 21, what are they? 1, 3, 7, 21. So which is greatest? 21. Now find all the factors of 12. So in which table 12 is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the answer, right? Now question 7. Third multiple of 14. So if we want third multiple, we need to multiply. 14 threes are, that is 42. Got it? Next, find the LCM of 15 and 30. We can find out like this. 15, 30. If we divide by 2, we will get here 15. If we divide by 3, we get here 5. Divide by 5, we get here 1. So 2 threes are 6. 6 fives are 30. We got 30 as a LCM. Clear? Then 9. Dash is the only even prime number. What is that? That is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. So that's the correct answer. If we talk about 10, there are prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many students? We have done already. That is 25. Now see here, I have written the answers. You can check it. I hope that you have enjoyed the test. So tomorrow we are going to do the fraction chapter, okay? So I hope that you have enjoyed the test. So students, if you have enjoyed the test, please do tell me that you have enjoyed, yes or no, okay? And that's it. And revise lesson number 3 for unit test 2. You will be getting the MCQ type questions. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होंगे, कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, सॉल्व करने को भी आ सकता है. तो टेक योर रफ कॉपी विथ यू, अपने पास रफ कॉपी आप रखोगे, फटाफट सॉल्व करेंगे एंड देन आंसर उसमें आपको टिक करना होगा. एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस होंगे and syllabus is this multiples and factors. You have to practice a lot, okay? So do practice, and from tomorrow we will be doing the next chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Bye bye students, take care.